Alright guys, this is our Wednesday, April 7th schedule. Just wanted to give you a run through of what it is we're going to be working on today. Starting off with our morning math, we need to complete the study guide to prepare for our test on Friday. So if you're going to click this link, it'll take you to Google Classroom. Now, I really want you guys to watch this video tutorial first. Watch this video. It's going to explain how to do the study guide. Watch the video, then study guide, okay? You're going to work on this study guide independently today, no math notes today, and then it says that tomorrow during our Zoom, we're going to go over the study guide together, whole group. I want you to try as much as you can with the study guide on your own first, and then tomorrow we're going to go through all the answers together. Now, if you remember, the more you work on the study guide, the better prepared you're going to be for the test, because a lot of these questions on the study guide might just pop up on the test, the same ones you don't know. Okay, again, math test is going to be on Friday. Language arts, we have some IXL that I want you to work on. I want you to work on your reading strategies today, okay? Complete 2 IXL reading strategies with the for your recommendations with a SMART score of 80. Guys, if I was looking at IXL today, a lot of you do not have updated diagnostic scores because we were on spring break and every so often those scores change. So please, 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 if you need to update those scores, spend a few minutes, go back into the diagnostic, answer those language arts questions, and get an updated score to figure out what recommendations are best suited for you to work on, okay? Make me proud because you know how to work on that. 9:30, we have our Zoom. We're going to be working on another argumentative writing assignment. If you click here, our writing assignment is going to be talking about that Marvel Comics and DC Comics text we were working with a couple weeks ago. Day 1, you're going to state your claim and identify 3 pieces of supporting evidence. So if you click on the link, again, we're doing this during Zoom, okay? We're going to review our 2 articles that we read about Marvel and DC Comics. Then we're going to scroll down to slide 5, and we're going to work on identifying what was I going to say? What comic you prefer to be best. And then we're going to come up with supporting evidence to go over that. We'll work on everything else later this week. We have day 2 and day 3. So we have some more stuff that we're going to be working on. But day 1, I just want you to state your claim and identify 3 pieces of supporting evidence. Next, looking at reading, I need you guys to get your Bob book finished, please. That is due when you come back. If you need a new Bob book, please email me. I would be happy to get a new Bob book for you up at the front office to pick up. Happy to drop it off to you guys. Do not spend this time not reading. Make sure you're messaging me if you need a new book. For social studies, you have a Colonist Speak Out reading and question. If you're going to click on that, it's going to take you to Google Classroom. You need to read the PDF first, then answer both of these questions. So you're going to read this PDF, and then here's 2 questions, and you're going to answer them right down here. Trying to think. Math, afternoon math is Zern, and in the very afternoon you have this time to work on any missing work from today and or read your Bob book. So that's our schedule for today. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out or email me. Good luck, guys.